So as a get ready with me quarantine style, I have washed my hair and chosen my outfit. It's pretty plain, just because it's something easy and I can throw on, but I feel pretty still. And I'm about to do my makeup. I'm going food shopping, but I don't care. I'm happy I get to wear makeup and try and look a bit pretty, and it makes me feel happy, so that's what I'm gonna do. Because my outfit's quite plain, it's mainly black and white, I get to choose basically what colour I'm going to go for to add to it, and I think today I'm going to go for orange because orange somewhat suits me, my skin colour, so that's what I'm going to do. I don't put foundation on, even not during this time. I do if I'm modelling because the camera picks up everything, so I kind of feel more comfortable having like a made up face, like a proper made up face. But if it's just for me, I try not to because I like my freckles and it makes me focus on getting my skin better. So I'm using a pomade, as I've shown in my Get Ready With Me airport video, which I'll link. So I am going to use the same blush for my eyes, but on top of this orange here. I am also going to mix it with this nude colour, just so that it's not too orange. I have got a little bit pink left on here, but I don't care. It's going to go pretty fast when the orange is so pigmented. During quarantine, I've found it nicer to dress up on my days off, just because I'm still, as I've said in my quarantine, my update, I'm still working at Sainsbury's, so it doesn't feel like lockdown for me really, because I'm still working. But I find it nice to dress up just to have a sort of routine. Otherwise I would be wearing trackies and then I don't feel as productive. I mean, some days I am wearing my trackies just so that I can chill out, because we all need to chill out for a bit. But I'm quite enjoying having the choice to like act like things are normal. I think I might go for a dark brown liner. So this is actually a lip pencil, but I've never used it for my lips. It's spoken for by MAC. Anyone else have that thing where you do your eyeliner and you get one of your eyes how you want it to be and then can't get the other one, try and match it, and you just mess up both? I think that's the path I am going down. It's like the downside to afro hair, you can't, this is prime time while it's flat to do something with it. And I'm not. I am going to go for mushroom. Cute. Ish. Who cares? I am going to do a little bit of bronzer, like literally a little bit, because I can't be bothered today. As you can tell by my terrible job at bronzing my face. Very orange. actually. Sorry. So I am done. I'm ready to go for some food because during quarantine, that is the important thing. So I just went to the store and it actually seems like people have really cleared the shelves today. Yesterday wasn't as bad, but obviously I did my shopping today. I was very enticed by a lot of vegan stuff, so I did spend a little bit more than I would have. Yeah, it was good. I'm a little bit out of breath just from walking up the stairs. I did buy some wine as well. Might watch some Netflix. Not might. I will watch some Netflix later. I need to tidy my room again because it's a mess. I need to sort it out. But if you want to see more extravagant get ready with these in terms of like doing different makeup and stuff, then let me know. Or if you want to see more of my outfits, then let me know. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to see more from me, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.